All right, I made y'all wait all this long just because I had the power to. Ashley won the kit. I guess everybody knows that, right? Y'all know that, huh? They don't know that. Ashley, what's wrong?
I hear you.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, look up. I want the camera to see you. So, for future reference, y'all, when we do those challenges, they are technically not so that y'all can just win prizes. They are supposed to get y'all up and hustling. The hustle part about this thing does not stop, and it does not start just because there's something at the end of the rainbow, like the prize. Now, I was mad at Ashley on Sunday because Ashley kept texting me. And I was also mad because she had 5 people on Sunday, but I'm trying to figure out how she get 5 people so fast, and we've been around here struggling to get one person in here to practice on for months. But I gave her something to work for, and she went after it. Life is very simple. Life is about give and take. And when they say take, it's okay to take what is given to you. But it's also okay for you to go and take what you think is yours or should be yours. So by Monday morning when I got here and Ashley had the whole place full, I felt like she had went and took it in a different way. So I adjusted my attitude. But y'all, Miss Tina's not telling y'all wrong. Get your hustle on. Don't hustle just because y'all hustle with me every day. Y'all just don't know it. It ain't got to be about this bag. Trust me. Y'all should get your hustle on anyway. For you, for me, for the school, for everybody. Right? At any rate, Ashley technically is finished. I just won't put her hours in because I don't want to see Ashley go.
Oh.
I really don't. I tell you that all the time though. Ashley's gonna kill the game if I could just get her back in her. She thinks she got back, but she ain't got back. Ashley's gonna kill the game. Yeah, it ain't many white girls you see that can do black hair. They want to do black hair. You know she know how to do her own hair, so that won't be a problem. And she like to braid. She gonna kill the game. Man, if I had what you had at your age, you a triple threat. You supposed to make money. You supposed to go get the bag, bring it back to me. We supposed to go have a good time. So, Ashley, congratulations. What you got to say?
Thanks. Thank you.
She always has a lot more to say. Grab your bag.
You gotta record me, grab my bag.
It's gonna record you anyway. I didn't hit record it. I hit record at the beginning. Congratulations, that's it. TCP Beauty College, 3701 Outlet Center Drive, City, Texas, 77474.